Hello Labs. So Hello Labs is quite an interesting project. I'm not really, I'll tell you what I think is the target for this in terms of like market cap and stuff. It's really going to be based on how successful they can make the show attached to the coin. It's not just that the coin and the show are attached. There's an ecosystem and everything. It's also going to matter how the influential people involved promote Hello Labs. So we'll talk about all of that in this video. Before I get into it though, guys, if you're new here and you don't know what this spreadsheet is, these are the first 26 coins that I did videos about on the channel. And in the videos, I showed myself buying up all of these coins. I expected that they were going to make me a lot of cash. And you can see what they were worth when I recorded my videos. You can also see what highs these coins hit in under a year and a half. And these are what your profits would have been if you'd have popped $100 into these coins. And if you'd have popped 100 into each one when I released the vids and then sold them after about 16, 17 months, your total profit from the 26 would have been over 123 grand, which is not too bad. Now I sold these, but I'm in a lot of other coins that I share on my website, which is copymycrypto.com. So when I find a crypto that I think is going to make me a lot of cash, I jump onto my site, tell my members about the coin that I'm going to buy, the profits it can have, and the money I'm putting in, and they can copy along exactly. The reason that we have thousands of members on the site is they're making great money in crypto, but they're not having to do any work at all. And if you want to see what they've made, that's on the site. If you want to see what I've said in the past, that's on the site as well. And it's all public record. It's all on the history of this channel. If you're not happy with your portfolio, now is actually the perfect time to start making a move on it. We're having a pullback in the markets right now. That might last for another 2-3 weeks. And then, you know, the halving's going to happen, and then we're going to start seeing the markets move once again. So if you're really unhappy with where you're at in your portfolio, check out Copy My Crypto and the members, because we could help you out there. So, Hello Labs. Very, 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 very interesting kind of project. So this is about entertainment. Hello Labs is aiming to be the future of crypto and entertainment. They've built a Web3 ecosystem around producing, incubating, and distributing TV shows and games. Their debut show is called Killer Whales, which is a business reality series in the mold of sort of Shark Tank. You have a number of significant crypto influencers on that. The Altcoin Daily twins are on there, along with Crypto Wendio, who are huge voices in this space. And the Hello token is at the center of the ecosystem. It provides users with a convenient way to access all of their products. As a utility token, it's designed to facilitate transactions within the entire ecosystem. So by using Hello, whether it's just holding it, users can watch the shows. So holders can use Hello tokens to purchase access to individual episodes or entire seasons of Hello TV content. Now, what is worth noting is as this market heats up, interest into the crypto space is going to obviously increase more and more and more. And it would not shock me if we start seeing a lot more people buying into Killer Whales more and more and more, and watching to see if they can find out about a really interesting project that's coming up, to see how some serious investors within the space, how they scrutinize potential projects and how they decide what they will and won't invest in, is kind of a perfect educational series for crypto. So holding the Hello token gives you means there's a purpose to it. Like if you want to watch that content, you've got to use the Hello token to purchase it. So the key thing really here is going to be the marketing and promotion of Hello Labs and Killer Whales. They've got some games, you know, Hello holders can use the Hello tokens to purchase credits in the Hello Arcade. The arcade has 2 games, Doge Dash and Dash of the Dead. Credits can be used to play games, access in-game items, rewards and bonuses. And they're going to continue to obviously expand offerings and explore new opportunities, and they will be incubating projects. You know, once they find a quality project on, say, killer whales, those guys are going to invest, but Hello Labs will obviously aid the incubation and development as well. So they're going to end up having a strong ecosystem of potentially quality projects. So this gets very interesting, because this is going to really test how good the killer whales are at spotting a great idea. It's also going to test how good the Hello Labs team are at identifying a great crypto idea, because they're going to be the ones helping with the incubation process and the development. And if they pick gems of projects that do very, very well, obviously Hello Labs will also be holders. So their net worth of the overall business will go up, which means that as they earn more, they can put more into development, into TV shows and everything else. The success of this is going to boil down to two things. Number one is very much how good are the whales and the Hello Labs team at picking out gems. By the way, check out the resume of the killer whales. Several of them are renowned investors, and you have very, very successful voices in the crypto space as well, who know what they're talking about. So they should, in theory, be able to spot some really good ideas. It's just how far along, I suppose, are those ideas and how long they're going to take to come to fruition. The next thing, how well do Hello Labs market and push their idea? Killer Whales, the first crypto reality TV show to hit the UK, to hit mainstream streaming platforms. Okay. Streaming platforms merging the crypto. Yeah. Which? Series is now available on the leading streaming platforms, including Apple TV, Amazon Prime, Google Play, and Tubi. Fair play. Okay, that's a very good start. Well done. That's a very good start. So, if they can push this, and that now requires them really working well and paying out the nose to Amazons and Apples to make sure that this is pushed and promoted and tried to get onto people's screens. But if you can do that, there's potential here. This wouldn't shock me to see this run up to over $1 billion market cap, but it's going to depend on, again, success of the whales in terms of success of the contestants, for lack of a better term, that are trying to get funding for their project, and success of killer whales in picking good projects, because if they pick some shit ones, it's not great. Okay? And how focused are the Hello Labs team in promoting? Because all in all, this could do very, very, very well. Would not shock me to see it hit $2, break $1 billion market cap, which is a long way away from $2 right now. I'm well aware, but it isn't anywhere really. Like, yeah, it's on BitGet, it's on MEXC and Gate. They're pretty good, but it isn't on Binance. It isn't on KuCoin. It isn't on Coinbase. These are all platforms where Hello Labs would get a bounce in price action. So it's got the potential for a bounce in price action. But again, it's going to boil down to the success of the team. It's going to boil down to the success of the contestants. It's going to boil down to the success of the marketing campaign that they're going to do. But they've made really strong strides. They're on Apple. They're on Amazon. They're doing things right already. The next stage is get this heavily promoted within those platforms. Pay whatever you have to pay. Get as many people watching as possible. Anyone that's watching now has an interest in crypto, or now has an interest in crypto. But the first coin they're exposed to is Hello Labs. So the marketing, payments, the money putting into those platforms, however it has to be done, that's what has to be done, because this could run really, really well. So yeah, I'd be looking at a couple of dollars for this. But it's going to depend again. There's a lot of variables here, but they've started strong. Let's see if it can continue. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments down below. Guys, if you want to make the same profits as me in the next bull cycle, you can do. All you have to do is go to copymycrypto.com. That is the site I run, where I share with my members the coins that I own. So anytime I find a crypto that I think is going to make me a lot of cash, I jump onto my site, tell my members about the coin, the profits it can have, and the percentage of my money that I'm going to put in, and the members can copy along exactly. This means they're going to make the exact same profit as me. The nice added bonus there as well is they don't have to do any work at all. That's why we have thousands and thousands of members on the site, is they are making great money in the markets without having to do any work. And if you want to see what they made, that's on copymycrypto.com. If you want to see what I've said in the past, that's on copymycrypto.com. It's also on the history of this channel. The market is finally having a bit of a pullback. And we've got about 3 weeks before the halving. If you're not happy with your portfolio, now is actually the time. The next 3 weeks are going to be the best possible time to start sorting that out, because once the market starts running hot again, you're going to miss the chance to make some profits. So, like I said, check out why we have thousands and thousands of members on the site, because I think copymycrypto.com can help. And that's it from me, guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.